Hello dear friends, today we will see basic modeling techniques in Autodesk Inventor 2015. Here you can see the starting window of Autodesk Inventor. When you click on new, create new file will open. Basically we work with SI units, so select standard IPT. You can see here the IPT. IPT is the basic extension for part file in Inventor. If you create drawing file, extension will be IDW. If you create assembly file, extension will be IAM. But today we will see about part file, and then we will create a simple part. Click on create. We will enter to sketch module of the Autodesk Inventor. We will see the important menus of the main window of Inventor. It is taking some time because it is a very heavy graphics software, so loading of the software it will take some time. Here you can see the main window of Autodesk Inventor. Here it is a sketch menu. We can create different basic shapes just like line, circle, arc, rectangle, fillet. There is one important feature about the Inventor. If you want to know about any of the command, just you place cursor on that, it will show you the detailed description of that command. For example, I have mouse on the rectangle, so it shows here how the rectangle is used. Nothing to do, just to pass on that command or icon. You can see the circle, how circle is drawn. Here you can see the model tree. What features we are creating, that will be displayed here as a tree and branch structure. Here are different working planes. We can create the sketch selecting any of the working plane. Just go on YZ plane, click visibility, click on XZ plane, click visibility, click on XY plane, click on visibility. By default we will select XY plane for the sketch. So you go on the sketch, start 2D sketch, select XY plane. Now we are here in sketching environment. Click on the circle. It will be the circle of, suppose we enter the dimension as 40. Again you click on the circle, click on the center, give the dimension as 25, right click, OK. Go to finish sketch, click on that. Now our sketch is ready to create a 3D part. Go on 3D model, click extrude. Now you can see here the menu for extrude is open here. click on the profile, select this profile. Now up to what distance you want to extrude this one, write as 20, click here, OK. We can't see here the 3D view, just go on the home, click on the home. So basically one cylinder is created here.